Hey, Jordan here. Welcome back to our 99 Designs contest. So yesterday we chose the logo design winner. So today what we need to do is log in and we need to look at the design files and agree to the transfer terms and then download those files. So let's click on our logo design contest. And then you want to click on this review and approve files. Now when I first looked through these files, there were a couple things that were missing that I wanted. One was an Adobe Illustrator file. So EPS works, but I wanted the actual .ai file. And then he created this 3D logo like this, and I wanted the Photoshop file for that. So what I did is I went to messages and I sent him a message just telling him I'm excited that I chose him as the winner. And then I said, could you also include the .ai file for Adobe Illustrator? Also, I really like the 3D version of the logo. Is there a file format you could send that to in Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop? If not, that's okay, but I'd really like to have that. Thanks again. And then he replied, hi, I've uploaded your file. So now I go back to files. And now when I scan through, you can click on it and you can kind of go through the different design files. But I've got a JPEG, I've got EPS digital, EPS print, PNG, PDF, and here's the .ai that I requested. And then he also uploaded a PNG of the 3D version. And you'll notice under Other, he uploaded the 3D version in a Photoshop file. So then what I need to do is I need to click on this I agree to the design transfer agreement. So I click on that, and then my information shows up, and want to just make sure all that's correct. It says we need a few personal details so we can officially transfer ownership of your design from the designer. Your name and address will remain visible for tax purposes and your phone number will be hidden. So I'm going to click Sign Agreement. Okay, this is an important message. Please review Ayub Khan's work and ask for changes. If necessary, you have 4 days to approve the work. So now you'll notice that I can go and download all of these as a zip file, or I can download them individually. So in this case, I'm just going to download them individually. Okay, and then I go to the other folder, and this is the Photoshop file for the 3D version. So I'm going to click download. Okay, so I've downloaded all of the logos, and then I also want to save the copyright agreement as a PDF. So now that I've downloaded all of the files and the copyright PDF, I need to go through each one of those files, make sure everything looks like it's in order. And once it is, then I'll click on this Approve Files and Release Payment. All right, so I went through all of the design files and I was able to open up everything. Everything looks good. I read through the copyright agreement that I have as a PDF. Everything looks good there. So the last thing I need to do is approve files and release payment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this button. And then I have the option to leave a review. I really liked working with him, so I'll leave him a 5-star review. Okay, so I left this review for Ayub. Ayub was really great to work with. He always made the design changes promptly. I'm really happy with my logo design. And then I have the option that if I want this to be private, I can, or if I can leave this public. In my case, I'll leave it public for him so he has a good review. And then I'm going to click Post Review. So it says, thanks for your review. Your contest is completed. See the final files. So if I needed to get back to those, I could. It says, what's your next project? Ayub Khan was added to your designer list. Now you can easily invite them to work again, inquire about a custom project, ask for a quote. So that's one of the cool parts, is now he's on my designer list and I can continue to work with him since I had a good experience with him. Okay, so that wraps up our logo design contest on 99 Designs. This is the logo that we ended up with for ebikediary.com. And so if you're considering getting your logo designed and you want to use 99 Designs, I've provided a link. It is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it lets 99 Designs know that I referred you, and I will make a small commission. And now that we've got our logo designed, we're ready to start building our website. So I'll see you in the next video.